We present a contribution in the field of tangible user interfaces, a TUI that performs autonomous behavior as an independent social entity, not only a TUI that is being manipulated by the user. We define and compare two paradigms for user interaction with the autonomous TUI. Turn-taking paradigm, in which the user and system manipulate the same interface in separate turns, versus joint paradigm, in which the user and system manipulate the same interface together at the same time, sharing the control over the interface.
Our findings reveal that all participants perceived the interaction with the TUI as a social experience. Turn-taking was interpreted as a competitive experience, while joint was interpreted as a collaborative experience. The two paradigms also differed in participants' sense of control and the intensity of the emotions. Our work shows that it is possible to design tangible interfaces that act as social entities, merging the social aspects of a robot with the TUI-like aspects of a tangible interface.
In the last 2 decades, many researchers have been exploring autonomous processes in tangible and shape-changing interfaces. We contextualize our work with Rasmussen's framework of shared control, specifically the negotiated control type, in which the user and system negotiates a control over the shared interface. We extend this framework with the two interaction paradigms, turn-taking-actuation, which is an asynchronous shared control, and joint-actuation, which is a synchronous shared control. We invite our research students to present the study.
Previous studies explored tangible interfaces, shape-changing interfaces, and human-robot interaction. Previous turn-taking actuation works include the actuated workbench, the planner manipulator display, rectile, morphes, and Erel tunes. These works indicate that turn-taking actuation is helpful, can increase curiosity, and is perceived as a fun and engaging interaction. Previous joint actuation works including PICO, the tangible active objects, inform, and line form, all introducing synchronous interaction, challenging users' sense of control. A few works within the HRI field include user interaction with a non-humanoid robot and an additional physical interfaces. The interface can be manipulated by both the user and the robot in turn-taking interaction. Studies showed that interaction was perceived as a social experience. To test the two interaction paradigms, we extended our own existing prototype with letter sensing, word evaluation, and autonomous word completion. In turn-taking actuation, we used the Wizard of Oz interface to set word based on a word database. In joint actuation, the letter sensing sensed the user manipulation of letters, then the word evaluator verified it's a valid word, and the autonomous word completion completed the word using the same word database.
We conducted a within-participant study with 23 participants, comparing the experience in the two interaction paradigms. We conducted qualitative interviews of each experience and also a concluding interview comparing the two experiences. Interviews were transcribed and analyzed using thematic coding.
All participants perceived the interaction with the actuated interface as a social experience with clear differentiation. Turn-taking actuation was experienced as competition. It felt like a competition, like a game. I wanted to win. While joint actuation was experienced as collaboration. He completed me. I started a word and he completed it. Regarding sense of control, when experiencing turn-taking, participants felt in control. He waited for his turn. He didn't interfere. However, when experiencing joint actuation, participants' sense of control was challenged. He was rude. He wouldn't let me turn the letters. Many participants experience a need for adaptive control. It should recognize when I encounter difficult and also release its control when I resist.
To conclude, we defined and compared two shared control interaction paradigms. We showed that both paradigms are perceived as different social experiences, turn-taking as competition and joint actuation as collaboration. In addition, joint actuation challenged users' sense of control and led to more intense emotions.
Our work shows that autonomous tangible interfaces can be perceived as social entities, merging the social aspects of a robot with the tool-like aspects of a tangible interface. Thank you very much for watching, and please check out our paper.